Is your Ecovacs Deebot U2 Pro doing a whole lot of moving but zero mopping? You filled the reservoir to the brim, but 10 minutes later your kitchen floor is still as dusty as a desert. The technical culprit? It's almost always a faulty water tank. Inside that tank is a small electronic pump system, and once it fails or clogs, your high-tech mop becomes a very expensive, very dry broom. Ignoring a thirsty robot doesn't just leave your floors sticky. It forces the vacuum to work harder for half the results, wasting battery life and your time. But don't throw in the towel or the mop just yet. RoboCare has the solution to bring your robot vacuum back. Our certified technicians have spent years mastering the Ecovacs lineup, and we've diagnosed the no water flow issue on the U2 Pro hundreds of times. We understand the delicate balance of the internal micro pumps and electronic sensors that make your Deebot a mopping powerhouse. When your robot arrives at our facility, we don't just swap parts and hope for the best. We perform a precision diagnostic on the water tank assembly to confirm the exact point of failure. Whether it's a seized pump or a faulty circuit connection, we replace the damaged components with genuine parts that are built to last. We ensure every seal is tight and every drop of water goes exactly where it's supposed to, on your floor, not in your robot's electronics. Now let's get to the results. Check out that flow. This Ecovacs Deebot U2 Pro is mopping like it's brand new. Consistent, even, and perfectly hydrated floors are back. Ready to get your robot vacuum back in peak shape? Contact RoboCare now. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.